Hello, and I'm here to share this quick video with you on counting. So we are going to be counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so I know you already know how to count, but we have to show that we can count and show the correct amount of, in this case, we're using lemonade. So here's the number 1. It's written in number form here, and then there's the word 1. Alright, say it with me. 1. Again, 1. One more time. 1. By yourself, 1. Alright, so here's our job today is to add 1 lemonade to the chart here. Alright, so I'm going to click it, and I'm going to move 1. Alright, let's count. 1. Stop. Alright, 1 lemonade pot equals the number 1. Alright, next one. Next thing I want to do is add 2 lemonades to the chart here. So this is the number 2. Here's the number 2. Here's the word 2. Say it with me. 2. Again, 2. One more time. 2. By yourself. Alright, so we have our number 2 and our word 2. Now we're going to count out 2 lemonades. Get ready to count. There's 1. 2. Stop. Alright, I have 2 lemonades. Alright, the next number we're talking about is the number 3 here. Here's the number 3, and here's the word 3. Let's say it. Get ready. 3. Say it with me. Get ready. 3. Again. 3. One more time. 3. By yourself. Alright, our job is to add 3 lemonades this time. So let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Check our work. 1, 2, 3. The number 3. Alright, next one. We have the number 4 here. Here's the number 4, and here's the word 4. Say it with me. 4. Again, 4. One more time. 4. By yourself. Alright, we are adding 4 lemonades to our chart. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, I have 4 lemonades there. Let's just check our work. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the number 4. Alright, next one we are counting is for 5. Alright, this is the number 5. Here's the word 5. Say it with me. 5. Again, 5. One more time. 5. By yourself. Alright, we are adding 5 lemonades. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, we should have 5 lemonades. Let's check our work. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equals the number 5. Alright, moving on to our number 6. This is the number 6. This is the word 6. Say it with me. 6. Again, 6. By yourself. Alright, we are adding 6 lemonades. Get ready to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lemonades. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lemonades equals the number 6. All right, down to the next one. This is the number 7. This is the word 7. Say it with me. 7. Again, 7. One more time. 7. By yourself. All right, we are counting 7 lemonades. Let's do it together. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stop. All right, let's just double check our work. Let's do it. Count again. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lemonades equals the number 7. All right, just a few more. Here's the number 8. Here's the word 8. Say it with me. 8. Again, 8. One more time. 8. By yourself. All right, we are adding 8 pitchers of lemonade to the chart. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we have 8 pitchers of lemonade. Let's just double check our work. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lemonades equals the number 8. 2 more to go. Here's the number 9. Here's the word 9. Say it with me. 9. Again, 9. One more time. 9. By yourself. All right, time to add our lemonade. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, there's our 9 pitchers. Let's count. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pitchers of lemonade equals the number 9. One more. You got this. All right, here we have the number 10. Here's the word 10. Say it with me. 10. Again, 10. One more time. 10. By yourself. All right, let's add our pitchers of lemonade. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, there's my 10 pitchers of lemonade. Let's double check our work. Get ready to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pitchers of lemonade equals the number 10. Alrighty, friends, you just counted 1 through 10, and you counted lots of lemonades. Good job. Alright, so if you would like, you can use different things to count out your numbers 1 through 10. Maybe you're counting out 10 pennies, or maybe you're counting out 10 spoons. It doesn't matter what you count, it's just how you count them and showing the number. So watch this video as many times as you need to. It'll be here to help you practice your counting. Alright, bye friends.